Okay, number 12. Baumgartner's comparison of the environmental hazards of gasoline-powered cars with those of electric cars is misleading. Ooh, tell me more. Why is this misleading? He examines only production of the cars, whereas it is the product's total life cycle, production, use, and recycling that matters in determining its environmental impact. Ooh, so this must be why his comparison is misleading. A typical gasoline powered car consumes 3 times more resources and produces 15 to 20 times more air pollution than a typical car does. All right, so our conclusion is going to be this first sentence. So remember, our conclusion can be the first sentence, it can be in the middle of the argument, it can be the end, but it's going to be that his comparison of the environmental hazards of a gasoline powered car with those of an electric car is misleading. And then he goes on to give us support of why his comparison is misleading. So we're going to look for that first sentence as our conclusion. A. Baumgartner makes a deceptive comparison between the environmental hazards and gasoline powered and electric cars. Yes, I would say that deceptive, he makes a deceptive comparison is the same as like his comparison being misleading. The use of a typical gasoline powered car results in much greater resource depletion than of the electric car. No, that's just, nope, that's not us saying that his comparison is misleading. Bob Gardner uses inaccurate data in his comparison. Do we use inaccurate data? I don't, it's not that we use inaccurate data, it's just like we kind of pick and choose what data we're using. D, the total life cycle of a product is what matters. And no, we don't care about what matters. We're just saying that he's being really focusing on his comparison being misleading. And then E, the production of gasoline powered cars creates more environmental hazards than the electric cars. Nope, once again, we're talking about his comparison being misleading and why is his comparison being misleading. So our answer is going to be A.